Hello everyone, it is Saturday afternoon and we are going to be doing something super fun today. Here's Jez.
Hey.
Do you want to tell them what we're doing?
We are decorating for Halloween.
Yay!
How exciting.
So it's currently the last weekend of September and we like to have our Halloween decorations up for the whole of October because to us the whole of October is Halloween. So we've just got everything down from the loft. We actually brought quite a lot of new stuff today, which there's no point really doing a haul because you're just going to see us decorate as we go. But look on the floor at how much Halloween stuff we actually have. So we've got a bag here, box there, full of stuff on here, here. And this box is actually full of stuff. It doesn't look that much. We've actually got a load of stuff. So we are going to make a start. And the first thing we're going to decorate is our banister. And whilst we're doing it, got Disney Life on, typed in Halloween. I've actually never seen the Halloween films. Sorry, Halloween Town films.
Halloween Town.
It's Halloween Town, and Halloween 2, and then it's like Halloween Town High.
I've seen Halloween Town.
I haven't seen any of them. So my mission in October is to watch all 4 of them, The Invisible Sister and all that is. But we're going to watch The Night Before Christmas whilst we're decorating. So let's get that on and we'll show you the progress with the stairs. Okay, so first thing, we've got these like, I think we might have shown them in a haul, but they're like winter berries and leaves. We bought them from Walmart and we're going to kind of, well the aim is to kind of twine them round the banister. So I'm going to give Jez a hand actually, then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards.
So, we've done a little bit so far. We've put this on, which is like the little garland. Charlotte keeps calling it a Halloween thing. This isn't Halloween, this is like fall, autumn.
I prefer fall. I prefer like this autumnal fall thing. Pumpkin lights. Oh my god, it looks so bright in the camera, I love it.
I love it, but it, you know, for me, Halloween is spooky. It's not all about fall and oranges. Ooh.
Does that look alright from the back?
Yeah, it looks fine.
Okay, I think that's as about as much as we can.
Moving on. So, Nightmare Before Christmas is on. Charlotte's just making a pumpkin pom-pom, which we've got 2 over there. They actually look really cute in the camera, just like hanging there. But this is Charlotte's making one now.
So, in the progress of it now, just gotta like fan it really.
And then we're gonna eat some of these 4D fruity blocks, and they're like actual Lego blocks that you can put together. So I'm gonna try and build something. Probably won't taste very nice, but I'm also gonna have one of these. It's a Scream Soreen. So that should be pretty cool.
You did shit on the vlog last week.
Yeah. They smell like really artificial. I mean, obviously because they are artificial, but that's not the point.
The jelly Lego bricks, you don't expect them to not be.
Oh my god, they're actually quite sturdy. So that's them there. That's the bottom. And then that's the top. I'm gonna try and build something. Would you like one?
Ooh. Oh my god.
Or I'm gonna try and build something.
Oh my god, active jelly.
Potato jelly. Doesn't have the same click that Lego has. But they don't slide. Well, they're not very good at sticking together.
Can I have a blue one?
Blue one.
Oh, I wish I hadn't found it. I would have been a good stocking full of you.
Still get it for me.
So step 1 is complete. You can't really tell too well at the minute because it's quite light still, but we've got lights going up here. And later, once we've finished everything, we'll show you everything with the lights on and the lights off. Then we've got our 3 little kind of pumpkins. And I love it. You happy with the first stage? Right, now for the big one, I think. So for a very long time, me and Jez have wanted a Halloween tree. And we used to have one, which we'll get out later, and it's a tiny little, like, twig one, which we're still going to get out this year. But when we were out today getting some Halloween candy, we found the Christmas tree that we've been looking for, and it was only £12. So we think it might be quite a sparse one for the price, but we've got a lot of stuff to put on it. and it's Halloween. It's supposed to look spooky, so we're hoping it's just going to add to the theme. But I'll kind of show you on the side. It's a black Christmas tree.
She's sitting here filming me struggle when she's got scissors next to her.
Do I have scissors next to me? Oh yeah. Here you go. So yeah, we are now going to try and put this together. Yeek! Okay, so we have fanned all the branches. It does look a little bit dark green in this light, but I promise you it's completely black. It actually looks not too bad once we've filled it with everything.
Not bad for how much we paid for it.
Yeah, we paid £12. I mean, can you really complain? It looks amazing. I think next it's lights, and then tinsel, and then
Decorations.
yes. Let's go. Okay, we're getting there. Stairs are done. Tree is up. We've put the tinsel and the lights on. I'll show you the tinsel a little bit closer up. So I don't know how well you can see it because it's kind of black on black, but it's an orange, black and silver tinsel. And it's got these little tiny silver spiders on it. We won't turn the lights on, we'll show you once we're done. But yeah, next we have Halloween paper chains to put on,
yes,
which are these ones here. And Night Before Christmas is finished, so we're now actually just watching Strange Things. Yay! So we're getting there. Look at the mess we've made. Literally insane. Jez is now drilling a hole in the wall for a reef. But yeah, we're getting there, almost there. Just got to do some finishing touches and then we're going to tidy all this up. And then we'll kind of do a bit of a... And then we'll do a bit of a tour. So yeah, let's go.
Right, so we are finished, finally. It's been a few hours since we last vlogged, but it's all done and we've eaten and we're now getting ready for bed. So I just thought we'd show you everything all together, all finished. So I'm obviously in our porch and I'll show you around. So we have our little mat. I know it's upside down, but it says Halloween. We've got a little doorbell. It's so cool. Come in. Look at the tree. The tree looks awesome.
Now the decorations are on, we can actually like
So,
do a little pan of what we've got.
Should we go around from here?
Okay.
So we've got the boo signs hanging down either side of the lights. We've got these twinkly lights, so you can't really see them, but they're like hang down ones. We've then got this little window display. So it's got a candle on it, you can't really see it because of how dark it is. Little mini tree. These lights are pretty cool. These are like actually spiders, so that the actual lights are spiders. And then how cool is this? Look. It's like Jack Skellington, and then obviously it's a candlestick holder as well.
Got these little hanging things on the side. Our wreath.
I love our wreath. This wreath we bought in Paris?
Yeah, we bought it in Florida.
Florida? Yeah, Florida. We bought it from the Christmas shop. Yeah, we did.
It's our Halloween wreath.
And then Hocus Pocus. It's pretty cool. I like that. Looks awesome. Watching Shaun of the Dead. And then down here, so we've got like little hand kind of like that, and it's got a little candle in it. Sweet bowl, and it's like a little witch's feet.
There are some great sweets.
This little ghost here, it says inside his mouth, I don't know if you can see it, but it says trick or treat, and it's a candle holder. It's a quid from Poundland. It's awesome. And then our spell book, which is pretty awesome. We've got a very autumnal, what's this called? Wreath? Autumnal wreath. It's got like pumpkins and leaves and stuff. Then we have our tree. Give you a little pan down.
So we've got a broomstick. We've got on the top a skeleton of a bat.
It's an angel.
It's a bat. And then we've got like little spiders. We've got autumnal leaves. Happy Halloween sign. We've got a little pumpkin decoration.
And obviously no tree that we own will be complete without some Mickey Mouse stuff. Yeah. So we've got some Halloween style Mickey Mouse ones.
Oh, this one's cute. This one's Mickey Mouse with a little like spider web. And then
we bought
got
this guy today. I don't know what we want to call him.
Pedro.
Pedro or Miguel?
Miguel.
Miguel. And
then we've got this like paper chain thing, all different Halloween colours.
Happy Halloween.
We've got a witch.
Oh yeah, there's a little witch on there.
These bow things we made out of some ribbon that we bought today. We've got an eyeball, ball.
Which actually does light up.
Yeah. And then underneath the tree we've got a few...
They're pretty cool, aren't they?
They're actually real pumpkins apart from the glittery ones. And then a cauldron full of lights.
And then up the stairs we have these little pom-poms. And then we've got these Twizzler. And then it's got lights inside. The lights are actually little pumpkin heads, which are quite cool.
We've got this little tinsel with ghosts on it, just all the way upstairs because we didn't know where else to put it.
And then... We've got the huge Happy Halloween sign all the way along there as well, which is pretty awesome. And then up here as well, which is the final bit, we've got a collection of Halloween candles. We actually do have some other Halloween candles.
This one's from
Bath and Body Works.
Pumpkin coconut, I think. Written in a little. If you've got it, haunt it. It's really cute.
And then we've got
that
this.
you would have seen from our haul if you watched our Halloween haul.
And then the final. And then there's our 23 Days to Disney Paris. Yeah. Phantom Manor, very Halloweeny. Lights down here, and then this little bat as well. These are actually skeletons, which are pretty cool.
Let me turn out all the lights so you can show them the two.
Yeah.
It does look a bit Christmassy, doesn't it?
A little bit, but it is Halloween. What do you think?
I love it. I love the stairs. That's my favourite bit.
Yeah, that looks awesome. I'm very proud of us.
Looks good.
Yeah, professional. So, that's us finished. For another week, another vlog.
Let us know how you decorate your house for Halloween. Yeah, so Halloween isn't so much of a big thing here. So let us know if you decorate for Halloween, if you have a Halloween tree, and if you do, tag us in it on Instagram because I love Halloween. I'd be very interested to see how you guys decorate your houses.
Yeah. Or any shops that sell really good Halloween decorations. I think we pretty much know most of them, but there might be one that you recommend, so.
Yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Bye. Bye.